Generation 20 system now mounted into a plastic enclosure box. Power supply mounted in a die-cast aluminium box on the lid of the plastic enclosure. There we have our Generation 20 system inside the enclosure box. Pumping device down the side there. Recycling container, and the Generation 20 system fits perfectly inside this plastic enclosure box. It is actually strapped down with nut inserts and bolts holding this to the base of the box, and with a bracket across the bottom. Very secure. And some plug on the back. Power supply input there. Ammeter on the top, so you can see what's going on. Power supplies, current and frequency supply on this device here allows me to change the frequency and change the current input to the device. Currently we're running at 20 amps and 12.7 volts. Right now running off a DC, regulated DC power supply, producing 12.7 volts. The gas production from your car will be higher than this, because of course the gas production from your car is probably running at 13.2 to 13.8 volts from the battery. There are no 12-volt batteries left, as you know, anymore. We no longer use lead acid batteries. Your calcium batteries have a higher voltage output and a constantly higher current output as well. Very effective system. The recycling container, the 36 plates are located inside this box here in 3 booster cell arrays. So it's actually 6 cells inside this enclosure box here. The steel plate on the top there is simply because of the fact that it used to be used in an aluminium box, and we used to mount the power supplies on this. But now it's much more effective, we find, to put them into the plastic enclosure box. So I put them in a die-cast box and mount the die-cast power supply on the top of the lids of the unit. Very, very secure. This can be strapped down, as you say, mounted anywhere in the car. It is ideal for trucks up to or greater than 8 litres. That being said, you can use that on any car up to 8 to 12 litres or so. I have this on my car at the present time. I've taken my Generation 15 system out and mounted a Generation 20 system into it. All I need on my system is a Gen 10 system, which is much, much smaller. But this is producing an excessive amount of gas. Extraordinarily large amount of gas. Those aren't individual bubbles. It's a constant stream, as you can see. Okay, I can be contacted on my phone at 040 317 7183, or my email glknox, that's glknox @dodo.com.au, or my company webpage www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. I'll put that address onto the video here so you can actually see it quite clearly. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.